Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing your iPhone and credentials. That saves time. Make sure iOS is up to date so the Apple TV app works smoothly, and confirm your Apple ID email and password are at hand. If you use two-factor authentication, have your trusted device or phone number ready. Now open the Apple TV app or go to Settings TV if you prefer System Sign-In, because the app immediately shows the sign-in flow and prompts you to proceed. Once in the sign-in screen, tap Sign In and pick Use this iPhone for quick authentication, or choose to type your Apple ID manually if needed. When prompted for two-factor verification, approve the alert on your trusted device or type the 6-digit code sent to your phone. This proves it's really you. After credentials and verification, accept the terms and conditions and enable iCloud or TV syncing if you want your purchases, an Up Next list available across devices. To finish, look for your profile icon or name in the Apple TV app and test playback of a free show to confirm access. If something fails, sign out and sign in again. Often a quick reboot of the iPhone clears lingering errors. Make sure Wi-Fi is stable and that your Apple ID is active at AppleID. Apple. Calm if problems continue. This one troubleshooting step, reboot and reattempt sign-in, resolves most transient auth or network issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.